We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Cho Fengjia is one of the most famous scholars and patriots Taiwan has ever seen. A Hakka by birth, Cho hails from Miaoli County and gained fame at the age of 14 when he passed a Qing Dynasty court test to become a government official. In 1895, panic broke out on the streets of Taiwan with the news that the island had been ceded to Japan after the Qing Dynasty's defeat in the Sino-Japanese War. Cho was not only a man of letters but also a patriot and decided to fight Japanese imperialism. Later, after realizing the battle was beyond his means, he left his beloved Taiwan, traveling to his family's ancestral home in Guangdong province. But Cho was never one to give up and joined the fledgling nationalist movement led by Sun Yat-sen to defeat the Qing dynasty with the aim of seeing his native Taiwan once again. Hello everyone, I'm Joseph Lin and it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Alice, it's time to talk about food. You know why? Because recently I've noticed that strawberries are the hot items right now. They're very sweet, they're very big, they're red, and they just look so delicious. So, 来教教我们的听众朋友们怎么去描述这么好吃的草莓。
OK，鳳草莓，
鳳草莓，
甜又香，
甜又香，
看起來當好食。
看起來當好吃。懂好吃是很好吃的意思，对不对？等等，前面有几个字就听起来好像在押韵呢。到底第一个是什么？
鳳草莓，
鳳草莓
就是紅草莓啊。
那听起来草草啊，草莓
不是
草莓啊。OK， 鳳草莓。So that's red strawberries。
甜又香，
甜又香，
又甜又香啊。
甜又香的意思是不是？
甜又香，
甜又香 that means sweet and also smells good. It's got a good aroma.
当好食，
看起来当好吃，看起来很好吃。It looks very delicious. All right, let's review it one more time.
鳳草莓，
鳳草莓 red strawberries.
甜又香，
甜又香就是 sweet and it smells good.
看起来当好食。
看起来当好吃 It looks very delicious. So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. Thank you for listening. I'm Joseph Lin.
是我大家张来了。
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.